Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we get to finally have the Lotus. So as you guys, we said it last time, we picked up a Lotus. It was really far away. We had it on dispatch, nobody wanted to pick it up. Finally got it picked up, so we got the Lotus and a Fiat for our dad. But you know, driver probably wants to get this thing unloaded. I was looking at it really quick, see if we can drive this thing off. Unfortunately, we can't.
Oh man, really?
Yeah, look at this rim.
Dang.
It's got fiberglass in it.
What in the world?
Or drywall, or maybe hit a curb or a wall.
Maybe, yeah.
But I mean, that looks like it's cambered in a little bit. It's not a big deal. But on the back, on this wheel, the tie rod end looks like it's snapped. So it's not gonna steer, nothing like that.
Dang, forklift it is, huh?
Forklift it is, but this thing is looking sweet. I'm super excited. You know, I love yellow cars.
Oh yeah, Ivan.
And look at the spoiler.
It's a cute little spoiler.
Cute. Well, it's not cute, it's awesome.
Oh, it's
performance.
Awesome. Yeah,
So
performance.
this is a sick car, okay, Michael? It's
not too much, not too little.
So,
ooh.
Look at this thing. I'm excited. I don't know if it's about you guys, but I'm excited. Because I have big plans for this. You know I love yellow cars, but a white car would be sick. So we're gonna repaint this thing white.
No, calm down, Evan. We'll keep it in yellow. That's fine.
Come on.
Yellow looks just great.
So, but these wheels are, they gotta go. I got a really sweet set of wheels. They're 5-lug. I mean, no, 3-spoke.
Your S2000 wheels.
They're gonna look sick on this thing. I'm just kidding. But let's go ahead and get the forklift. We'll get this thing unloaded, get the Fiat unloaded, get inside the shop because it's kind of cold, and probably do at least a walk around, check it out, maybe start it. I'm excited. So let's get straight to it.
Let's get it on.
This is way cooler than the C8.
No, Ivan.
Look at this thing.
Half the price, I think half the car. It's definitely like a go-kart, man. Performance.
Look
Nice.
at this.
Look at that, Ivan. Look at that.
Everything we needed.
Nice.
This
Ooh,
is like
it's not bad.
$800, dude.
Looks good. You could buff that out and re-clear coat it, and
I think it's unbolted.
yeah, get some tabs going. That's good.
Wrap around a gas tank. Where do you get a gas tank? Big gas in it.
So it has part of the mirror, right?
Yeah.
And that's got the other part.
We need to have
Fix
more
it.
budget for the wheels.
What? Shoot, look at that. We could fix that. Nice. Fix the internals, and it's all, there's no power there at all, right?
Nothing.
It's literally a little, wow. A spring loaded.
I don't know why I'm fixing this now.
Yeah, we'll fix it later. Don't worry about it. Just keep it safe.
I'm worried about it. No, I can't do it.
We'll fix it. But hey, parts are there. Got some fiberglass work for sure.
Definitely need new wheels. These are ugly.
All right, guys, lift it up. Let's go ahead and put it in the alignment shop. That way we can talk about it, put it in the lift, see underneath. Oh yeah, let's get inside.
All right, so just like that, we got this thing, this beautiful little car.
Oh yeah.
Beautiful. Like, I'm super stoked. Probably most excited since our last build that we did was the S1000. You know, from the S1000 to this is like
seriously, the Camaro, the Hellcat, all those things. I mean, this is what gets you excited.
the Viper.
The Viper.
You know, yeah, I like little cars, and it's yellow, so it's what I want. You know, I mean, comment down below. I should keep this. I should definitely keep this.
For a supercar, that's definitely a great price, I would say.
I mean, look at it. It's on blocks right now, with wheels still on it. So it's got some proxy Toyos on it. Pretty sick.
Pretty sick.
I don't know, I'm excited. Maybe after I drive it, I'll be even either happier or not happier.
Make it run and drive, give it a bath, because she's dirty. I mean, it's hard to work on it so dirty.
So yeah, this side is looking clean. It looks like it got PPF on it, like the plastic protection stuff. That's gonna be fun to take off.
Oh, we gotta take it off, because you gotta repaint the whole thing? I haven't repaint the whole thing.
We are probably gonna repaint the whole thing, because I mean, it's yellow, and I don't like yellow. We're gonna
whatever.
No, well, we might go like a different shade of yellow. Like
it might be hard to match it, you think?
Yeah, this has pearl in it and stuff, so it might be hard. It might be easier to paint the whole thing. Might do like a black roof, pinstripes, racing stripes. We're gonna do it all. Neon lights.
Kind of like the Viper. Make it like the Bumblebee, like the Viper.
I'm excited.
Tuxedo black, and then that yellow was really nice.
So it's got this little, whatever this thing is, looks like it's functional.
I think so, right? I mean, this is definitely a track car.
The door opens.
Oh yeah.
I'm so excited, I can't wait. I'm gonna vacuum it before I get in though, because it's really dusty. All right, so on these, you know, they're built kind of custom, I'd say. And look how smooth it opens, even after this
reflector
accident.
right there. Wow, just in case, guys, you're on the track, you know, car's coming.
But just look at that. That's beautiful. It closes, the gaps are good.
Wow.
So this side is looking good. I mean,
nice.
Very dusty. It got an MR2 dash.
No way.
That's what it looks like with the Lotus steering wheel.
Aftermarket CD player though, right? Look at that screen.
Yeah, who needs a CD player with this kind of car? All you need is put the windows down, drop a gear, and disappear. You know?
A little 4-cylinder.
But anyway, so this side's the really good side, and then you get to the top. I mean, it's got like I guess the top.
There's a hard top, right?
I think so.
Should be able to come off. There's probably some latches and stuff, but it's a hard top convertible, so that's always nice.
And since I'm super tall, I'm gonna probably have to take it off. My head's gonna be sticking out right here.
Yeah, and
it's gonna be great. I'm excited. And then it's got like, I don't know, maybe it is an air. So it is functional. So the air goes like this, goes inside.
Wow.
All right, so it's got this cute little spoiler, and I've been looking online. They sell like a really big one for a lot of money, but it looks sick. It looks like a super style spoiler. Pretty sick, but I think.
I don't know. It's functional, Ivan. This is all you need for the track. You know, you're not high speeds like crazy.
I might be the next fast guy, you know? So look at that. Look at the engine. Look, I mean, look at this Toyota engine right here. I mean,
wow.
2.0 or 1.8.
Yeah.
I mean, that's all you need.
But yeah, that's what they say. They're really that ratio of weight to power, and this is all you need apparently to make it on the track. I mean, this thing beats V8s, Mustangs, and stuff. So
as long as you got the pedal for it. Though,
right. As long as you know how to drive. Yeah.
But look, it's got a cute little glass in the back.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
It's got a firewall. I mean, these are goals, guys. All right, so after we finally get this thing fixed and drivable, Michael, we should turbo it or supercharge it?
Whoa. We're just talking about the power to weight ratio. It's all you need for this little guy.
We need more power.
I don't know, guys. They probably supercharge and turbo and different motors and stuff. I mean, imagine putting like what is it? The Godzilla in there? That ain't gonna fit. Sick. That ain't gonna fit.
But we're gonna have to, fix it all the way, drive it.
Yeah.
And then,
let's get it running drive first. Is that the battery, Ivan, right there?
That's the battery.
There's no way. That's a motorcycle battery.
It's a motorcycle engine.
That's correct. There's no way. That little battery.
Hey, they gotta save on weight, They really care about the weight.
That's like insane. Kill switch right there.
So it is dead. I guess we'll put up jump box to it later. Let's keep going around and check out all the damages.
Yeah, that was the good parts. Let's talk about the bad.
But did you see this?
Oh yeah.
This looks sick. Look at that. It's like a black accent. I think we might have to get rid of it and paint it yellow.
No, that looks great, Ivan.
No, it looks pretty sick. I mean, yeah. Even the diffuser.
Yeah.
The backup camera, all the lettering.
I think that's aftermarket, yeah.
This thing is sweet. Look at that, one exhaust right
One exhaust. But that's actually just a tip. The exhaust is a lot smaller.
It looks fake. It looks like it's broken.
It is fake. That's a fake little exhaust tip. But so these are just the air ducts, I guess, because it looks for exhaust as well. But
I don't know. But the whole bottom is covered.
That's nice.
You can't see nothing.
Oh yeah, just like the Corvette. Solid. Yeah. All right, let's talk about the bad, Ivan.
All right, so here's the good and the bad. So it was PPF'd. As you can see, the little plastic.
Oh man, that sucks.
So kept everything together. What do you mean it's good?
Yeah, but taking that off, that's gonna be a.
And then it had like this blinker. We're gonna delete that.
There's a blinker on that side?
There's a blinker. We're gonna delete it.
Oh wow, yeah, it's kind of silly. Reflectors. You think that's power to it?
Yeah, it's got a little wire right
Wow. Well, maybe you need it.
here. We're gonna delete it. I mean, unless
What
I
if
can
it
find
doesn't
them.
have turning signals or whatever?
No, it has to have turn signals. It's just running lights.
Oh, okay.
But this shouldn't be that much, that bad of a damage. It got a crack right here. The gaps were looking really good, so that's gonna be easy. It's just gonna probably. I don't think this can come off, so I have to fiberglass on the body.
Dang.
It's got a little gas tank.
What about a wide body, Ivan? Since you're fixing all that anyway.
That is a great idea.
I mean, put some spacers on there. Make
No,
the
no,
wheels stick
I
out.
have wheels for it.
Yeah, you have big wheels that stick
Let me
out?
show you the wheels I have for it.
Oh yeah, I see.
They're already
it.
in stock.
Dang, you've been waiting for this moment. Yellow
I've been
Lotus.
waiting forever.
Careful, Ivan. Don't drop it on the car.
Oh, that's not it.
That's
Yeah,
it. That's it. Just dusty.
Look at these bad boys right here. 17s,
Oh yeah, 3-spoke.
3-spoke. Look at that.
It's
Dog.
definitely a hit and miss, Ivan. People like it and don't like it. These 3-spoke are very controversial.
I mean, at the end of the day, it's what I want. So
Either you love it or you don't.
that is sick.
Oh yeah.
We might have to try it, Michael. I don't know.
We might try it.
I mean, 2 of the wheels are bad, so unfortunately we need some wheels, and we have these, so we're gonna. No, I'm just kidding. We'll see.
Whatever's different.
I can't sell them, so that's why we have them.
Just because nobody wants them, or because
Nope.
you just can't let it go?
Yeah, I don't want to let go.
Oh, okay.
But anyways, we're going down, so there's a little bit of damage right here. I guess this panel moves, so that we
Wow.
can fix that. This thing's good.
Yeah, a little
scuff.
scuff. We'll fix that.
The rocker looks good.
A little bit right there.
It's all fixable, and then it looks like there's a little bit of suspension damage, so we're gonna take the wheels off and look at it.
Yeah, tie rod ends, all that good stuff.
The mirror,
But luckily
inside.
we have it, yeah. So we have the mirror, we could probably get that fixed. And
or we can
Plastic
upgrade to the
welded.
F1 with mirrors. They would look sick.
what's all this going on? Is just the glue or just dirty?
It's dirty.
Dirty.
But the door, see the door has damage right here?
Dang. Wonder how that happened.
They were driving and then they opened it and then they hit it.
Wow, yeah, you're probably hitting right there too, Ivan. So we'll fix
man.
that, yeah. There you go.
But see, look, it's hitting right here already. So
Yeah.
we're gonna have to probably take
Take
off.
that off, take the little fender off, take the hood off. Yeah, there's some work ahead of us.
But I'm excited. I mean, after this, I'm gonna be called the Bondo guy. I mean, the fiberglass. I should make you do it
Master.
because
No,
that's gonna be itching. And
This is you, Ivan. This is your fun stuff.
but other than that, like we got this front end damage. We got the front thing. So a lot of fiberglass we're gonna do. We're probably gonna spend like 2 months doing fiberglass
Wow,
work.
Ivan. Another Cobra project? No, calm down now. There's way less damage than the Cobra.
But we're going wide body though.
I mean, are we though?
No.
No.
I think this is good. This body looks really nice.
Yeah, let's just keep it original.
The fast track
yellow.
can fix it. The fast track can drive it. So that's my game
Yeah,
plan.
yeah. Get
But
on
it looks
the road.
like this suspension does have damage though.
Oh yeah, that wheel's like cambered in.
Unless it's for the track, this side,
Yeah, must be cambered that much.
But, maybe what should we do? Should we get the battery, try to start this thing?
Yeah, put some power to it. Here, it was a run and drive, right?
It was not a run and drive.
Not run and drive. So this is actually make or break a moment, guys. This is
We don't even know the miles on it yet.
Wow. Let's put some power to it and see what this bad boy can do. Just don't put it in gear because we'll go right in that garage door and blocks will be shooting. Let's go ahead and power up that little motorcycle battery. Still 12 volts, right?
Dun, 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 dun.
I mean, I wonder why they didn't make it run and drive.
Maybe they didn't open the trunk, or they couldn't open the trunk, or they wanted me to buy it with not run and drive. I mean, who knows?
Maybe a kill switch or something going on.
But it is an AMG battery, or AGM.
AGM. Oh wow, alarm's going off. No, we got power.
Sweet.
A little chirp.
Well, chirp, chirp. The
Flashes are
on.
going. We got keys though, right? How many miles, Ivan?
Security's going off. Hold on, let me. do
Yeah.
this.
Oh, wow. There it goes. Maybe just the flashers are on.
Yeah. You guys want to hear the alarm again?
No. What is that?
Look at the taillights. It's pretty
Yeah,
sweet.
pretty sweet.
So far, everything's working.
That's nice. That's good news.
I think we're good. I think we should just end this video. And,
no, how many miles? Let's start it, Ivan.
It's got a lot more miles than my truck. Let's say that. Somebody drove this thing.
Dang.
31,000 miles.
Well, that's not bad. I mean, 31,000. What year is this thing again? I already forgot, Ivan. Man.
06.
So 2006 with 31,000 miles. So that's not bad. If you do the ratio, they didn't really drive it that much. That's
Yes, they did. I don't want it anymore.
wow, just like that, guys. Up for sale.
I'm
Lotus,
just kidding.
2006. 31,000 miles ain't bad. Go ahead and start it. Push that button.
Let me wipe it down really quick, and then it'll get
Well,
in.
can you just hit the start button?
No, it's a manual.
Yeah.
It's got a start button.
Yeah, it's really dusty, guys. Come in that, you're gonna come out all white. Start button, elite, boss system.
I mean, a nice little wipe.
Yeah, we'll clean it up. Got a blanket you could just throw in there if you want.
It's not the same.
Oh yeah, you want that raw feeling. Hopefully this thing will start it up. I mean, it wasn't a run and drive, so that's
Hopefully, I'm gonna fit in this thing.
yeah.
That's the deal breaker
6
right
foot.
there.
I heard it's hard to get in, hard to get out. It's okay, you're still young, Ivan.
Wow.
No different from your S2000.
It's enough room for fit like a party in here.
Okay, I wouldn't go that far. Okay,
Okay.
here we go.
Should we check the oil though?
I think, didn't we? No,
No.
we didn't check the oil? Let's check the oil, yeah. Let me check it. I see it. Sorry guys, walking around. Go around, there it is, a little dipstick. Yeah, I got plenty of oil, great level, looks beautiful color, Ivan. This ain't no flood. I'm just kidding, guys, those are fun times. All right, Ivan, I'm ready.
I'm
Hit
so
it.
excited. Nothing.
Nothing? Push start? You pushing it? You gotta push start it, Ivan, left hand.
Oh.
Come on, man, what are you talking about?
My bad.
When you turn
Jeez.
that key? A little gas, all right, it's not bad. It hasn't run for a while, so it's spinning. Come on, Lotus
Toyota.
performance.
What if it's got like a safety thing?
Maybe, but we got power, so you think that would be, maybe it's not getting fuel? Is our jump box dead, maybe? Jump box, not enough juice?
No, I think it might have a fuel cutoff switch somewhere.
11.9 volts. Hey, I'm about to do some research. Hey, it's spinning over. It's going. It sounds like it wants to.
But look at this button right here.
Coming. What button?
So it's got a little button you can kind of press. It doesn't do anything, so.
Maybe
I don't know.
do it, Ivan. Okay, ready? I tried. My magic touch didn't work either. Well, back on auction, I guess. I'm just kidding, guys. We'll get it. We'll figure it out. All right, guys, so we're gonna go at it, but unfortunately that's all the time for this episode. Make sure you stay tuned. We are gonna get this thing started, make it a run and drive, because all that suspension damage, and hopefully it runs. I mean, we don't know, it's not a run and drive, so definitely a lot of suspense, but stay tuned. Make sure you turn the notification bell. Make sure to subscribe, guys. A lot of y'all unsubscribe, you're gonna miss out some good videos. Thanks for all your support. Catch you next time.